What? I used up all my power. Guess that's the best I can do. No! No way! This ends now! This is everything! Not good enough! It's not over! Get out! I'm impressed. You're not going anywhere. Let's go! I'm right here. Not gonna work. How's that? You're not gonna win. I summon you, Shenron! I need your help, Shenron! I want to keep fighting forever! I need my health to be fully restored! Bring back my teammates, Shenron! I've still got more! You're done! This is gonna hurt. I'm ending this! Got you! Here! Try to keep up. I've got you now! Kamehameha! You're mine! This is it! Here! I see everything. How's this? You're gonna pay! This is everything I've got! Here! You're finished! You don't stand a chance against me. I'm ready when you are. I have to do this for everyone. This fight's far from over. What's wrong? Is that all you've got? This here's the power of Ultra Instinct. Now! Take over! I'm here! Switch in! It's my turn! I've got this! Thanks. This is the power of trust! You know, I think I'm finally getting the hang of this Ultra Instinct. I can't give in now. Everyone's counting on me. No one, and I mean no one, hurts my friends. Try and stop me. Guess what? I've got you all figured out. I just barely managed to take that. Right then, let's go! I'll fight you. You're fighting me now. Now that's enough. This is not over. This is where the real fight starts. You're just about to find out how wrong you are. I can't give in now. Everyone's counting on me. Looks like things went well this time. You don't have what it takes to beat me. I'm where I am today because of all my friends. I won't give up. Too many people are counting on me.